Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another interesting video, and in this particular video we are going to show you how to change the battery of the Mont Blanc watch. And this is one of the best watches you can buy, and as you can see the chronograph is not working, only the seconds is working. That means the battery is low of this particular watch. I've been getting many queries asking me to do some interesting videos like changing the watch, the dial, etc. So in this particular video guys, I'm just going to change the battery of this particular watch because it is not working, and I'm just going to use a very simple tool which most of y'all will be having. It is just nothing but the forceps which y'all can, or a plucker, what you will call it, and I'm just going to open this by rotating it in anti-clockwise direction. And this is one of the interesting videos which I wanted to do for a very long time. So if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And let me just show you all what is there inside this. So this is the SL70, which is a known jewel watch, and let me just show you how to pop up this particular battery. So we have this spring loaded mechanism, and you just have to press this, and it just pops up the battery like this. So the battery which is there over here is LR927. This is a previous battery. Also there is a compatible battery which is Seizaiken SR927, and this is by Seiko Instruments. And as you can see, this is a genuine product guys, so always buy a genuine battery. And let us just remove this particular battery. So again, I'm using my trusty forceps tool to remove this particular battery. I really like to remove it through all these instruments and all. So this is how it looks guys. Let me just show you the closer overview of this. So this is nothing but the SR927SW, and there are various batteries which are also compatible with the LR927. So this particular model number is very important. I think this is one of the long lasting batteries. That is the reason why I purchased it. And this is how you install it. You all can either use a forceps, but the best way to use it is a thumb or a finger. And what I do is I just press this and it just pops in right now like this. And as you can see, this is the perfect fit for it. Let me just put the cover and securely fit this. So also you all have to tighten this because this is to avoid any water going inside this particular machine guys. So let me know in the comments below, have you ever replaced any batteries, etc. And please tighten this screw. So this is like a screw mechanism, the back stainless steel, and you all should make sure that you all are not scratching the surface of this, and if you all do, it will get scratched. So let me just show you a test and just to check out if our battery replacement was successful or not. And I'm pressing this particular dial of this chronograph. As you can see that the second dial is being rotating, and let me just stop and reset it, and this is the button to reset this. So it will just reset and the seconds will start again, and it will just reset to 0 guys. And it is very interesting and fun to watch this particular reset of this particular chronograph. So let me also reset the time which is there. So all you need to do is this crown, you all have to pull it up maybe like 2 or 3 times depending on what watch you all are using. And after setting up, you all can even set the date, etc. And as you can see over here, just moving this and again triple clicking this is going to reset this particular time. And again I am just going to press this particular dial of the chronograph, and as you can see the seconds are really moving very smoothly. So this is one of the best watches which I found in the Mont Blanc. And let me know in the comments below which watch you all are using, and if you all are thinking of replacing this particular watch band, etc. And let me just reset this again. So it is really a nice view guys, just to watch this getting reset. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos on our channel. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.